Although the office environment is generally considered less risky than a construction site or a factory, it still presents a series of dangers that, if underestimated, can compromise the health and safety of workers. Accidents such as falls from ladders, ergonomic problems, work-related stress, or even exposure to potentially harmful substances, such as printer toner, are real risks that require attention. A fundamental aspect, often overlooked, is emergency preparedness. Every worker must be aware of the procedures to follow in the event of a fire, evacuation, or other critical events. Furthermore, the management of interpersonal interactions helps create a productive and peaceful working environment. Use of toners and printers. Handling toners. Wear disposable gloves when replacing toner cartridges to avoid direct contact with dust. Ensure adequate ventilation during these operations. Dispose of used toners using the appropriate containers, respecting environmental regulations. Maintenance of printers. Perform periodic checks to prevent dust accumulation and overheating. Strictly follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and replacing components. Use of portable ladders. Selection and maintenance. Use only portable ladders that are in good condition and comply with regulations. Perform regular checks to ensure that there is no damage. Correct use. Place the ladder on a stable surface. Avoid leaning or climbing with heavy materials in your hands. Never use chairs or other objects as a substitute for the ladder. Shelves management. Safe storage. Place heavy objects on the lower shelves to avoid imbalances and falls. Use ladders or suitable supports to reach the high shelves. Order and stability. Make sure that objects are stable and do not protrude from the shelves. Replace damaged shelves or components immediately. Noise risk. Exposure assessment. Monitor the noise levels generated by equipment such as printers, photocopiers, or fans. Place noisy equipment in separate or well-insulated areas. Prevention measures. Use sound-absorbing panels in the most exposed areas. Reduce noise through regular maintenance of equipment. Work-related stress risk. Stress prevention. Plan workloads realistically, avoiding overloads. Promote regular breaks to reduce mental fatigue. Collaborative environment. Foster a positive company climate, based on communication and mutual support. Offer training and tools to manage pressure situations. Access to support resources. Make a contact person or a company psychologist available to deal with uncomfortable situations. Relationships with colleagues. Professional interactions. Respect the roles and skills of each colleague, promoting an inclusive and collaborative work environment. Resolve conflicts constructively, involving a manager if necessary. Clear communication. Use official communication tools to avoid misunderstandings. Actively participate in meetings and briefings to ensure alignment of objectives. Relationships with suppliers. Office reception. Ensure that suppliers are informed about the office safety rules, including emergency procedures. Arrange a dedicated area to welcome suppliers in an organized and safe manner. Supply management. Verify that the materials delivered comply with the required specifications and safety regulations. Immediately report any anomalies or problems to the company contact. Knowledge of emergency procedures. Mandatory training. Ensure that all workers are trained in emergency procedures, including evacuation, fire, and first aid. Clear signage. Post signs indicating emergency exits and assembly points. Always keep access to escape routes clear. Simulations and updates. Organize periodic exercises to test the effectiveness of emergency procedures and prepare staff for any critical situations. Office safety is the result of careful and responsible management, involving all workers. Adopting these requirements prevents accidents and inconveniences, and promotes a peaceful, efficient, and collaborative work environment. Safety is not just prevention, but also culture. Creating a safe and efficient environment means putting human value at the center. Safety is not a document, it is a commitment. Your life and that of your colleagues are our goal. But also yours.